Let a bird fly just in case. We're making friends, guys. Mahalo. It's way too dark. If you're watching this or watching me, 5, 6 in the morning, 6 in the morning in Hawaii, and no matter where you go in the world, people still get up to work. All I hear is a bunch of buses moving, a bunch of people moving. It's raining a little bit. Let's get ready for another day. What was that?
Nothing.
Who did it?
My doggy.
I guess when you turn 8 years old, you try to put your life in perspective and you just sit there. She's been out there for like 10 minutes. I wonder what she's thinking about.
I don't know.
As long as she's not trying to fall over the ledge.
Yeah, don't do it. No. Okay, so this is day 3, and we came to the flea market in the Aloha Stadium, and we barely got here, and this girl's already getting stuff. What'd you get? Whoa. You better play it right now.
What?
Bruno Mars, Bruno Emma.
$33.
What about the hat? I'll tell you right now how much she spent. Oh, it's not on there. She still had this on here, Mom.
Yeah, leave it on.
So we're still out here shopping. I think the prices are way better than they would be like in the city though, right? Yeah.
You choose everything.
You like it?
This is our music video. It's called Make It Rain. Alright guys, what you saw us driving through is, let me look at my phone, Maluia Botanical Gardens. It's beautiful though, it's crazy beautiful. So look at all this green. I'm gonna show you guys.
I'm the king of the hill.
My dad's about to mess with Carla right now.
Carla, we have Subway over here.
Oh my gosh,
no! You've been waiting for this. Alright, so what do you think about the ice cream?
It's freaking delicious. I love it. I wish it would never end.
Hi honey, are you filming? So this whole trip, my dad's been asking me to film as much as I can because he wants me to make him a video. So that's been like the hashtag the whole trip. Are you filming? So today, since it's our last day, we made sure to came and got this ice cream. We're gonna go get some coffee and a little bit of breakfast. We're gonna go to the beach, and tonight we have a special dinner. Hope you guys are enjoying the vlog. Make sure you subscribe, like, and comment. Hope you guys are enjoying all these videos that are coming out. We're gonna go check out the hula dancers right now. About to take these classes.
Golden ripples dancing.
Oh, I got it.
Who farted?
Emma.
Okay, so we made it to the beach.
See you guys.
We out here. Can you see the reflection? I can't take this camera in, so I'm gonna switch to the GoPro. Ready for the footage? Let's go.
Me poop my pants.
Like that. Oh yeah. Lady, you are gonna be the same lady.
Andy blocked the sun.
Happy birthday! You are crazy.
Alright guys, we got all cleaned up from the damn this is a bright sun. Let me go this way. We're surprising Emma with a luau. Tonight's her birthday, so this is gonna be her birthday dinner. See you guys over there.
Yes, mahalo.
1, 2, 3.
Kahulua, kamauna, kamawana, e kanaloa ki kai.
Look at the girl. All right, we're gonna speed up the beat a little bit to get ready to move it. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Kick it. Kick it, boy. Oh yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, how about a nice hand for the 5 dancers here on stage? All right, it's not over. It's not over. You got a solo right here. You solo on this side. You solo on this side. Give him a nice hand, everybody. Come on. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's how to shake it. Oh, you guys are great. How about a nice hand for our lovely lady and our 2 gentlemen? Great job, guys. All right, young man, it's your turn. Here we go. Woo, woo. Good job, guys. Good job, son. Very good. Now, who's next? We got the little ladies here. Come on, ladies. Get it going. Oh, yeah. Shake it. Oh, wait a minute. Whoa! A little Fortnite going on. Ladies and gentlemen, how about a nice hand for these lovely ladies? You guys are great. All right, who's next? Who's next? We got our lovely lady.
Happy birthday.
I'm going to sleep.